Come on, guys. Watch out, Roach. Don't cut me off. Go. Guys, we have some people moving right, I think. Alex, kind of watch that way.
Yeah, they're just friendly.
Where?
Yeah, they got blue.
Oh, no, that's a red. That's a red.
In back?
Yeah.
They're probably dead.
Oh no! Guys, need help. Give me cover, dude. Come on.
That's friendly. Is it game? Ref, is it game? No, but is it game? Alright.
You got 60 seconds though. 1 minute left.
Ah, damn.
Here we go.
Oh boy.
Let's keep going. Let's not stick around.
Oh, I hit a bird. Just kidding.
You are so lucky.
I'm gonna get hit. I don't like it here. Oh. What?
I'd say you go back and swing around hard right, so you got a 3-man wall going.
Oh, yeah. Can't hear you, what? I'm looking through him through the crack. He's behind the building behind yours, basically. And then there's somebody way over to the right. Well, mid right behind that building. And then far right, that building. What? Oh, I don't have a great shot. I don't have a good shot at all, man.
Hey, after you respawn, there's no more for anybody.
This is my first time being hit.
That's fine. So just go ahead and respawn. No more respawns, guys.
Okay, I got one more.
Well, I mean, after you respawn that one.
Hey, they're right behind the mini fort, 2 of them.
Gotcha.
Right behind that corner wall. What?
Those 2 are about to do something. I think we want to move left, or to our right. See the 3rd one?
I think we have a guy on our right somewhere. Yeah, far right, far right. See him going. Got a guy moving up on our right. We have a guy moving up on our right. Like basically behind us.
Check us where they're at. We're running for a bunker tag.
Okay, mini fort, and then the guy right there, that spool.
Watch that guy.
Alright, I see him. He's creeping around. He's creeping, he's peeking out. He may move in a sec.
If he comes around, try to bunker tag him.
Alright.
Front and middle, one guy's front. They're both up front. You watch front.
I don't see room. I see him back front. They're by the castle.
Okay, yeah, I see them. Both of them.
Yeah.
Right there.
Don't look forward.
What?
Don't even try to creep out. They're like right staggered.
Yeah, I know.
One's just wait until they run out of ammo.
One's right on the corner, one's right between the, and that's just,
He loves to switch that pistol. Wait, is it just him versus Tom now? Have fun, guys.
yeah.
You versus two little kids. See if you man up. Get some.
Oh, they're both right there.
Yeah, he's creeping.
Shoot him right through the crack.
I couldn't.
Right through the crack.
I couldn't do it.
Shit.
It was the wrong angle. The tree right there is in the way, so I can't do anything.
Shit. I would so go around if I could. Oh boy.
Let's see.
Alright, 60-second, 1 minute call. Something happened.
Alright, one's creeping around to the right. Just barely. He's peeking out. Here he comes. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
Bang bang!
Good job.
That gun's on.
Wait, am I out?
Yeah, I bang banged you. Or safety kill basically.
Bang, bang, thanks.
Oh, wait. I got enough. That was my
Oh, there's no more respawn.
I almost want to try to peek right around and see if I can. Alright, get him. He's behind the corner.
It's okay. I'll shift over.
I'll keep an eye on him.
Tell me when he's looking forward.
I mean, he's not peeking yet. I'll just keep a look. Alright, he's peeking.
20 seconds.
Oh
He's
yeah.
out.
Got him.
Alright, guys, that's